This video tutorial explains how to take advantage of the section Cost, Savings, and Preferences in the grocery list. Please note that some of these features are available only to users who subscribe to a paid service such as Premium Meal Plans or the SOS Cuisine Plus service. The first thing to do is to open the section by clicking on Show Details. These details are divided into three parts: Merchants, Buying Strategy, Shopping Scenarios. Let's start with the Merchants part. This is where you choose your favorite supermarkets by clicking on Change Merchants. The blue question mark gives you online access to a detailed written explanation. Let's now move to the Buying Strategy part. This is where you can choose from three different buying strategies. Most Special Strategy. In general, this strategy maximizes the amount of money saved compared to the normal cost of the items. Example, when they are not on special. However, it may sometimes happen that some items on special are not good deals or deals at all. You'll find out by comparing the results of this strategy with those of the other two. Also, items on special are often in larger packages than needed to complete the grocery list, especially for singles. Minimum Cost Strategy. In this case, the grocery list is generated in order to have enough of each ingredient while minimizing total cost. Usually, this leads to selecting items with smaller package sizes, whose unit cost, example per package, is lower, but cost per quantity, example pound or liter, is higher than larger packages. This strategy may be well suited to singles, anyone with limited storage space, especially in the fridge or freezer, or to those with a minimum budget. Best Value Strategy. When this strategy is selected, the grocery list is generated so as to maximize the value of the items bought. For instance, maximize the quantity, example pound or liter, per dollar paid. Usually, this leads to selecting items with large package sizes, whose unit, for instance per package, cost is higher than smaller packages. This strategy may be well suited to families, to those who have storage space, especially in the fridge or freezer, and to those who want to take advantage of deals when they appear. The blue question mark gives you one-click access to a detailed written explanation of this part. Finally, let's turn to the Shopping Scenarios part. The three best scenarios are shown for the buying strategy that you choose. Buy from one merchant, buy from two merchants, buy from three merchants. These are the so-called optimal scenarios because they are the best solutions. You may also want to look at the non-optimal scenarios by clicking on See All My Shopping Scenarios. For each scenario, we show savings, cost, and value. These are estimates based on the data available to us. When an item is not available on special at any of the merchants that you selected, or when it is not a good enough special, we use the normal price for the item in your region for the current week. The first column, Savings, gives the difference between the total cost of the grocery list with all the items at regular average price, and the total cost with the items on special, chosen by the optimization. In other words, this reflects the amount of money you save by taking advantage of the flyer specials at the merchants that you selected. The second column, Cost, gives the total cost of the grocery list with the items on special, chosen by the optimization. The third column, Value, is a measure of the value of each scenario in terms of quantity purchased per dollar spent, compared to the minimum cost whose value is set at 100%. A value greater than 100% means that you will pay more than the minimum cost, obviously to get a greater quantity, but that this additional quantity will be at a better price value than what you would pay with the minimum cost strategy. For example, if an item is available in a 2-lib package for $1, for instance 2 libs per dollar, and in a 5-lib package for $2, for instance 2.5 libs per dollar, the first one has a value of 100% and the second one has a value of 125% because it gives 25% more quantity per dollar. Buying from more than one merchant allows you to take advantage of more items on special, which usually means greater savings. However, the time and expense to visit more than one merchant also has a price. These three scenarios will allow you to choose what is best for you. Here again, the blue question mark gives you a one-click access to a detailed written explanation of this part.